Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about Debug Bar add-on. And this add-on is best for debug issue. So first go to add new, and then search for Debug Bar. Now in this you get lots of add-on at here, but we we will install add-on which is provided by wordpress.org. So this is add-on, so click on install now, and click on activate. Now go to your site and you can check debug at here at the top right, and click at here, but at here it is not showing some data. So at here in the admin in the debug bar page, they say that use wp debug true and define shape queries true. So first go to wp config and then add these two line. Basically this is for debug and this is for show queries. Now it is coming. Now all data is coming, and we will discuss one by one. This is http. So basically queries, at here it is showing total number of queries 99. So this queries feature in the debug bar plugin allow developers to see all database queries. All database queries at here, like select option from so all queries which is coming on this page is showing at here, and also it is showing time 2.5 microsecond, 1.8 microsecond, 0.3 microsecond. So if you are doing some custom work on your page, then you can check time, like some do headless cms or other things, so they can also check at there. And some also do a page load time issue solve, so at that time they also check caching sorry sql time at here, so that they can improve performance at that time. And at here it is wp query. uh, WP query feature provide detailed information about the queries made using WP query class. It display the SQL query, the number of rows, all display SQL query and all information useful when working with custom queries or whether troubleshoot issue related to post page retrieval, etc. Now it is request page, like I am working with sample page. Now it is showing request, like query string, like page name, sample page, matched request rule, and matched request query, etc. All information at here, so you can debug information, and if any issue is coming, then you can also handle from here. And it is object cache. In this feature they provide all group name, like option group name, default, site option, transient, all group, and also they provide key, caching key, etc. at here. And how much size of group, like it is 652k, and it is 0.37k. So it is also showing size of size of object cache. And it is also showing cache hit 2580, cache hit, and cache misses 143. So you can also improve performance by analyzing this object cache. And if any javascript error, then they can then at here you can see, and you can also see on the console. Okay, so via this this is this debug bar is very simple add-on. And there are lots of contributor: WordPress org, Ryan, Boren, Peter. There are lots of contributor at here. And if you get any issue, then you can also check support of this add-on. And thanks guys. And if you found this video helpful, then please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.